Hi folks, this is a very short cruise, 1 full day, 2 nights from Brisbane to Sydney aboard the Princess Cruise Line, aboard the Princess Crown. The cruises in Sydney leave from the Rocks area at the pier and head out through the harbour. We have done a couple of trips from Sydney on cruise ships, and one of the highlights that we've always found is actually in the harbour and the views of the Opera House, the Harbour Bridge and the city, and leaving out through the harbour is just exceptional. In my opinion, you get the best views of the harbour from the deck of a cruise ship. It's absolutely beautiful. We decided to do this short cruise back to Brisbane. My wife had a friend out from overseas. She wanted to see Sydney for a couple of days and a short cruise back to Brisbane. So here we are on board the Princess Crown. As you can see, the views in the harbour of the Opera House, the city and the Harbour Bridge is just amazing. We've just come aboard, so we're heading into the main dining room to have a late lunch. We have found that the meals on board the Princess Cruise Line ships are always been excellent. Well, we've arrived at our cabin. We were supposed to have a queen size bed, and they have given us a room that sleeps 4. They did remedy this by pushing the beds together, but you The Princess Crown does have a mini putt-putt and putting green on the top deck. Amazing view of the top of the ship and the city. It is extraordinary. The Princess Crown also has a mini soccer field on the top deck. This is one of many bars on the ship. This is Skywalker's Bar, has a great outlook down over the pool area. The sail away party is about to start, so we're about to head out of Sydney Harbour. the sail away party did go for a long time before we actually started to move. Well, the ship is about to set sail and we're off out of Sydney Harbour heading towards Brisbane. The ship has to back out from this point, and I believe a tug is responsible for this. It takes it out and then turns it around to head out of the harbour. Definitely the best photographic spots for views of the harbour bridge and the opera house. It's just sensational. At this point, the ship is starting to rotate to head out of the harbour. Amazing view of Sydney City. It's just exceptional from board the ship just before sunset. If you enjoy our informative vlogs, please like and subscribe, as we love bringing them to you. The Princess Cruise Line is a great cruise line, although the ships are a little bit dated compared to some of the other cruises. As I said, this vlog is on the Princess Crown, but I think the highlight of this cruise is leaving Sydney Harbour. Just beautiful. At this point we headed into dinner inside of the main dining area. It was another great meal aboard the Princess Crown. We did go see one of the shows on board the ship after the restaurant. We weren't allowed to take any video though. We're at sea for our one day at sea, and it is an absolutely glorious day. Today, most of the day, all we did was hang around the pool, laid down and rested, and it was fantastic. I got to admit, I do like their free soft swirl ice creams. Amazing. Our next vlog will be on a cruise that we're doing from Brisbane to Cairns and back, 7-night cruise aboard the Royal Caribbean Cruise Line. We've always found on cruises that for some reason this back area where the pool is and the bars at this back of the ship is always much quieter than the main areas, and it's just gorgeous here. All of the spas were empty most of the time, so it was easy to go and have a swim or a spa if you wanted. We had another great night aboard the Princess Crown, went to a few bars, had a few drinks and hung around a few game shows. Well, that day went very fast. We've arrived in Brisbane, we're having breakfast at the pier and we're about to disembark. We always travel with Andrews Airport Parking. They are great. They deliver us by shuttle bus to the pier or to the airport and pick us up. They always have an amazing service. We'll leave you with this amazing shot from the top of the deck of Sydney. Thank you for watching this short vlog on the Princess Crown. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day. Bye bye.